Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another 2023 Subaru BRZ video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Key Fobs system. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about how not to get your car broken into. Firstly, we're going to start with the Key Fob, and I'm going to get right into it. Now, all the products that I recommend you guys to use will be in the description below. There will be Amazon links for all of these, so make sure to check it out. Now, before I do get into it, my car has been slightly modified since the last video, and I'll make an update on that and how much it costs and what I added. But for now, I figured that this would be the best video to make so that I can keep you guys informed on how to keep your car safe. So this video is actually for the GR86 and the BRZ, not just the BRZ alone. So this should help you guys out, and it should teach you guys how to keep your cars a little bit safer. So this here is the Subaru BRZ Key Fob. Now, the GR86 looks basically identical except for the Subaru logo. By the way, I have to give a shout out to Brian. His video will be in the his channel will be in the description below. Definitely check his videos out. He actually taught me that the Toyotas have this system where you can lock the key fobs. I don't know if it works for a Supra, but it works for all Toyotas. And a couple months ago, I figured out that it actually works for the BRZ, so they use the same anti-theft system from the looks of it anyways. So I'm going to teach you guys how to kind of make it harder for thieves to steal your vehicle. So when you lock your car, you guys all know how to lock your cars. So press it 3 times just so you can hear the car beeping. And before you leave your vehicle, press and hold the lock button, and then press the unlock button twice while holding the lock button. You'll see 2 double flashes at the top left. Camera's not rendering properly. Let me do that again. So let's just unlock our car or turn on our key. Hold the lock button and then double tap the unlock button, and you'll see 2 double flashes. Once you see that, it means your key fob is now turned off. So let's go to the vehicle and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So let's say you guys want to get in your vehicles and your key fob's turned off. Now you literally cannot unlock the car. Even though the key's right here beside the car, I am not able to unlock it. I cannot lock it either. So to turn your key fob back on, simply press any of the buttons, like the unlock button, and you're able to once again control the vehicle with just a touch. So that's how you turn your key fob off. Now, this kind of prevents theft in a certain way, but now a lot of thieves are using what I believe are called relays. So one guy stands beside the car, and then another guy, let's say you're in the store, right? You're shopping. The other guy will walk around the store until they get a signal match, and then they're able to unlock your vehicle regardless if this is turned off or not. Of course, if it's turned off, they have a harder time doing it, but if it's turned on, I believe there's about 100 meters range from this key fob, so they can unlock your car whenever. So make sure to turn it off. Now, to prevent them from using a relay, or at least making it more difficult for them, even beyond turning this off, you can use something called a signal blocker, which is this guy right here. So this, again, will be in the description below. So this here will jam the signal for your key. Even if your key fob is on, it will jam the signal. So I will demonstrate right now. So as you guys can see, if I press this button, the car locks, right? I'll make it, I'll make it honk, and it will unlock. But if I put it in here, and I didn't turn the key off yet, I put it in here. Now you guys should be locking it tighter with this, but I use it like this sometimes. And now if I want to open the car, absolutely nothing. And I am pressing the button. And I'll demonstrate as I try and unlock it at the doorknob. As you guys can see, okay, the car was already unlocked. I can't lock it. Let me lock it from the inside. So right now it's locked from the inside. As you guys can see, key is still here. Key is still turned on, and it no longer opens. So this is blocking and jamming the signal. Another thing is, all the Amazon products that I'll be linking for you guys will be good quality products, okay? Do not buy cheap anti-theft products, please. Do not buy you know, those steering wheel locks from eBay or something like that. Not saying eBay's a bad site by any means. I'm just saying that a lot of the times people like to sell junk on eBay or AliExpress. You know, things that are too cheap, like $10 for a wheel bar or something like that. Completely avoid that kind of stuff. Okay, just focus on the more expensive products that actually work. Everything has to be made out of metal. Everything has to be made out of quality. And for your cars, do not cheap out on that stuff. That includes a dash cam too, if you guys want something that runs overnight. Honestly, I don't have that because I feel like that's kind of, it drains the battery a little bit, so I didn't really get one of those, but I have a lot of preventive measures in this car, you know, tracking devices, whatever, like it's there. So yeah, make sure you guys get something very nice, and definitely check out that signal blocker. It will save you a lot, and I feel like most people don't get any anti-theft products in their vehicles. Like, if I looked at all of these cars in the parking lot and any other parking lot out there, I guarantee you guys, most of them do not have anything fitted into the car. In fact, I've seen other GR86s when I looked inside, you know, just to see if it's like a manual or automatic or whatever. I looked inside them and people weren't running the steering wheel locks, they weren't running pedal locks, they weren't running anything. And I just feel like it's so easy to, you know, just to get in and start the car and drive away. So I recommend some anti-theft products. So definitely check out the description below. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. I will update you guys again about the mods that I've added to the car. Nothing too serious, but I thought I might as well update you guys. And yeah, that's basically it. Peace out, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Share the video, and definitely check out those products. Peace, y'all.